Hello and thank you for coming to my website. First, let me introduce myself because you may not know me at all. My name is Wandalin Tan Kalupig. I am a wife, a mother, and I am a Chief Empowerment Officer. I help businesses and individuals bring more success through my gifts of possibility, knowledge of how the mind works, and through my experience and expertise. Before anything else, let me share you about my three products are truly close to my heart. Actually, let me quickly share with you. I used to work in the corporate for 15 plus years. I started with Ernst& Young Manila. I've worked with Inter Philippines. And for the past 10 years, I've worked with Emirates Airlines in Dubai. It was 2014 when I felt unsuccessful and unhappy despite the professional and the personal success in my life. So, logic tells me I have no reason to be unhappy or feeling unsuccessful. So, I searched and searched and searched and did a lot of soul searching what is really wrong. And then after a few months of learning about myself, retraining, developing myself, I came up with this first book. It's called Think and Succeed. It's published in Amazon. But this is one of the things that I've created because a lot of people are busy. They have no time to read the book. But as a product of that book, I have this called Think and Succeed workbook. In this workbook, I've shared what are the exercises, what are the things that I do to bring more happiness and success to my life. These are actually a 47-page workbook with fun and colorful exercises. And if you look at the table of contents of page 6, these are actually the 7 secrets about the mind that I shared with you on the workbook. Because the first thing that I realized is that I was feeling unhappy and unsuccessful. It is because of my thoughts. My thoughts were wrong. So first, when I learned about okay, how does really the mind works, and this is what I learned from my mind training called neuro linguistic programming. In these exercises, I will teach you how you can use your mind, your maximum potential to bring more happiness and success to your life. So I'll tell you about how you will understand that you have no limits, that your mind loves color and pictures, that your mind is a magnet. It is also a garden. It really works on the law of clarity, on the intensity of your emotion, and on the law of belief. This is my first project, which is really life changing. So because of the experience I had, it is now my time to share my journey to other people so they can bring more success to their lives. After all of that, I realized also I found more happiness, and I realized that happiness and success is really not about you. If you want infinite happiness and success, bring more happiness and success to others. And in this workbook, which is about 32 pages, I again share what are the secrets, what can you do to bring more happiness to your life. And let's walk through the table of contents quickly. I have separated into three: feel, think, and do. So these are the exercises that will instantly give you a flavor of how can I be happy again and how can I find and bring more happiness to my life every day. Lastly, my recent creation is called the Best Mom Journal. Now, I think every mother that I've met and personally my experience is that have I done enough? Have I given enough to my kids? Because of the many responsibilities that motherhood has given me, you always have that question, have I done enough? And in this 31-day guide, every day I've tried to put the lessons that I've personally learned from my mom, how you can be a better parent, how can you bring more love, more happiness, and later raise happy, successful, and loving kids. If you go to the table of contents, okay, you will find each day it's a 31-day exercise, and it will really help you think, how can I be a better parent? What can I do more? And a lot of people are giving me a great feedback, and I hope, really, really hope it will help you too. If you're a very busy parent, I have another thing which is called the Best Mom Guide, which is actually only the 30. It's similar to the Best Mom Workbook, but it's only like 30 pages because it will only have for you the daily lessons. It will not contain the exercises because the Best Mom Journal has 81 pages, which is all the exercises that can help you think, how can you be a better mom? If you don't want the exercises, then you can get the Best Mom Guide only. Now, for Mother's Day, what have I done for this Mother's Day month? I've packaged and bundled all of these products especially for you because I want to help you, because it really, really took me a lot of time and energy to really find what is that thing. What should I do to bring more happiness to myself and to others? But once you found it, and then it's really life changing, and I am very excited for you, and I'm really praying that this will definitely help you. Lastly, let me share with you, when you buy these products, you will also get a very short presentation, the secrets to a happier and successful life. This is one of the presentations I did in the management meeting I had with the department, because I wanted to share with the managers my life journey and how can they bring more happiness and success to their lives. So if you look at this, these are the secrets to all areas of your life. What is the secret to yourself? What is the secret to relationship? What is the secret to work, family, health, success, universe, and leadership? This is all from my heart to yours, and I'm looking forward. This will help be very helpful to you, and I look forward to see you soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and God bless you.